everyone! So it's me again, Neil. Today I'm gonna make a NADINE LUSTRE makeup look. Before I start, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you! So I already put on my foundation and I already put the concealer. I just need to blend it. I use the Sephora brush, but you can also use a sponge to blend it very well. I will use this Smashbox step-to-step contour stick. So I'll start to draw on my lower cheek for the contour, also for the nose line and forehead, and of course sa ating panga nang mabawas-bawasan dahil medyo malaki siya. Kailangan natin siyang palitin. Then blend it very well upwards, okay? Ayan, medyo lumit ng aking peslak at nabawasan ng konti ang panga. Then, let's start to make my brows. Of course, I'm using my lasting eyebrow gel from Kiko, which is my favorite. So today, I will make my brows a little bit more longer, just like NADINE LUSTRE brows. She has a very long brows and feathery. And I will use this Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit to create a natural stroke upwards. Then my Gimme Brow Benefit to volumize my brows. Ayan, kilay is light na naman ako. Pak. So we will put a concealer to help our eyeshadow last longer and make it more pigmented. And make sure to blend it very well using a beauty blender. Tap, tap, tap. Ito na nga, we will use again the 24 Hours Brow Setter from Benefit to make our brows feathery. So, just use it upwards. So before we proceed for the eyeshadow, we make sure that we are putting a white or very light eyeshadow as a base primer. So we can blend very well our eyeshadow and it won't leave a harsh line. Today, I'm gonna use this Naked Honey palette, which has a really nice shades, especially the golden one. I'll start with the lightest one. Always start with the transition color or the light color. I use the color name, which is the Hive. Then you have to blend it very well. Then I will use the dark shade, which is the Sting. So this will make our eyeshadow more intense. Always make sure to blend it very well so we won't leave any harsh line. Then I will use my fluffy brush to blend it very well. I will add more dark eyeshadow on the outer corner to make it more bold and emphasize. Then I will use this Kiko Magnetic Impact. This eyeshadow is creamy texture, so it is better to use your finger to catch it very well and tap it in the middle. So I'm gonna use this Marc Jacobs Sequence Moonstone shade to make more intense the shimmer. So I will use this Sephora waterproof eyeliner. You will start to create the line starting from your outer corner, turning a little bit up, and slowly slide it down. But make sure that put very thin layer on the inner corner. Tada! Wing eyeliner. put again a little bit of contour to emphasize more our cheekbone, jawline, and the forehead. For the blusher, I'm gonna make a drunk blush, as Nadine always wearing this kind of blush. And we will proceed for our highlighter. I will use this Huda Beauty palette highlighter. This pink shade. For the lipstick, I'm gonna use this Elizabeth Arden with the shade of pink. And I will tap also a MAC lip oil to make it glossy. So I'm done with Nadine makeup look today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell button. Till next time guys. Bye!